Tianjin is the first city in China to remove its city walls. In 1900, shortly after the troops of 8 Allied powers take over, the city walls are replaced by 4 straight boulevards. 5 years later, rails are placed in the streets for tram cars, which represent the pinnacle of European industrial civilization. In 1906, tram cars are a common sight in the streets of Tianjin. People are both curious and uneasy as they see them speeding along. The public notice fails to dispel people's doubts or fear. To change the perception and drum up business, tramcar companies hire bands and wave colored flags to advertise. The people of Tianjin begin to try out the new machines. The convenience and speed give people an unprecedented experience. A year after the introduction of tramcars in Tianjin, they begin to be seen in other cities, including Shanghai and Beijing. Tianjin has the cheapest tramcar tickets, though, and therefore the most passengers. Tramcars become the most popular means of public transport in Tianjin. The tramcars rumble through the city, linking the old district and the concessions. The high-speed service means that places once considered to be far away are easier to reach. The tramcars energize the city. Business centers appear at the intersections of the 6 routes and are distinguished by different colors. Such a layout remains in place today. In 2006, the tramcars again begin to roll along the streets of Tianjin, a full 100 years after they are introduced for the first time.